Good morning from a very rainy Polynesian. Oh my gosh, it is about 10 a.m. and it's pouring. We're in the middle of a tropical system. Lucky us. Never fails. Every time we go into in November, pours. We go in September, beautiful. November, rain. I think we're cursed. So we were supposed to be at Animal Kingdom right now. Obviously we are not because it looks like this. So we'll see what happens. Tonight we're going to Trader Sam's. Our favorite bartender Murph is going to be bartending there tonight. So we are going to request him and hopefully have a great time. I love the food at Trader Sam's. Their flatbread and sushi are great. So if all else fails, going to Trader Sam's. Yeah, we'll see if we make it to Animal Kingdom or any park today. Because, oh my gosh, this is just bonkers. Tomorrow at least is supposed to be really nice. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Still going. Keeps getting worse, not better.
Welcome to Trader Sam's.
Thank you. Oh boy.
We
You made it. How was your day today?
Relaxing.
Goodness, good job. I wasn't even going to show up today, but I thought maybe you'd be here.
Maybe. Yes, we promised. We promised.
we had to go find your ass.
That, would you? I applaud that. Fantastic. Did you brave the parks today?
No.
Oh, no.
I
No.
don't think so. You look no worse for wear.
No.
We weren't out in the rain at all.
No. It was.
Ten bites of dive. Dive. Dive.
Alright, everybody, we are underwater. Let me see some arms. We're swimming. We're swimming. We're underwater now. This is your drink. You better swim. Come on, guys. This is Jurassic Park. We're having fun.
There's so much fun.
Yeah, it looks like outside. I've never gotten to sit at the bar before.
Alright, guys.
Perfect. This is really cool.
Here's my favorite guy.
See, this is the one. You ordered the hippopotami Mai Tai. How long did you have to wait?
I put my name in at 2 o'clock.
It's not too bad, but,
No.
but when you were outside, did you happen to notice like a couple little hippopotamuses walking around?
No.
You did? I did. What did they look like this? I go, oh, they're looking for a treat. They're probably begging for booze. You know what kind of booze they like?
Oh,
2 shots of rum! I just want the bell.
He's so cute.
I'm a little tired today. I've been working all week.
I know.
If you
So good.
were to think of somewhere, if you were to think of somewhere in this room where a pearl would come from, where do you think it would be?
The giant clam over there.
That's right. That's Shelly.
It's Shelly.
Because we're so creative with our names. So now, Shelly sleeps because she parties all night.
Yeah. I'm very tired.
Yes. That's where you come in. Shelly's mad at me because I'm always here pulling the pearls.
Yeah.
But if you
Yeah.
take that Disney magic
Yes.
and you cast it over that way and you go, Shelly, wake up.
Shelly, wake up.
You have to do it on 3 and when I'm ready for
Okay.
you to go.
Okay. A little early.
1, 2, 3.
Shelly, wake up.
Whoa!
Never ever.
This is amazing. Oh my goodness.
Didn't get a black one, but that's okay. Still delicious. Yum. Oh boy, love this one. I upset Eric.
My goodness.
It's gonna be delicious though.
She lost her voice.
Oh Lord.
Wake up, Sean!
Wait!
Oh, no.
That's a Pokeball.
It's a generic quantum catching ball. It's a pearl, everybody! A lot of pressure.
Somebody ordered the zombie. They got a Thai peanut flatbread that is delicious. So good. Yum. Love it. One of my favorite things here.
What is it, Skipper?
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
What could it be?
What is it? Water burns, Skipper.
Oh man. Boy, I almost had us there for a second.
Yeah, like
Stand by to die.
This place is turning into a dive.
Die.
everybody, we are underwater. We see some arms. You're not swimming. This is your drink. You're not swimming. Drink and let roar. Don't be wasting it.
All right.
Make it happen.
So I need you to have nothing but positive thoughts. You need to be like, Shelly, wake up.
No, I want
Shelly, wake up.
thoughts.
Dark thoughts.
Dark thoughts.
Evil thoughts. I like where you're at.
Yeah.
You ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
Shelly, open that trap.
Whoa!
Oh.
That was sinister. Did you hear that?
Oh man.
Let's see what's going on in here.
What is it, Skipper?
I think the dark side's been getting Shelly. It's up.
It's a magic 8
Well,
ball.
that went away. It's
Should I
your
take it back?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not happy with her.
We're not happy with the black pearl.
Is it the black pearl? I thought it was the magic 8 ball. Oh boy. Yum. Yay. I think it is. It's a black pearl.
It is?
Yeah.
Seriously?
I think so.
I thought it was an 8 ball.
No. He's faking us out. It is a black pearl. I thought it was a magic.
I thought it was an 8 ball.
I thought it was a magic 8 ball.
That dark side. Oh my God.
We don't. Our eyes aren't great. Whee! Oh boy.
Oh, Pirates of the Caribbean.
We got a black pearl. Yay! Happy mama. Yes, thank you. It's gorgeous.
Holy
Yay!
cow.
I'm a Barbie girl. in a Barbie world. Yay! I got a light up pearl. I'm special too. Compared to Mom's black pearl, which you can hardly see in the dark. Hey! I'm even more special. Yeah, you're fine. I like mine. Mine's better. Mom's seat broke, so she's like got on the ground, and he brought her a little apple juice for the kids' table.
Because I was an old dog. So you just made me feel so welcome.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
God.
You get to drink on it.
That's true. You got an apple juice out of it?
Seriously worried I broke the damn.
Oh man.
Yes, go on.
It was for real.
Oh no, now it's really going up.
Yeah.
It's not stopping.
I didn't know that was possible. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh boy. You got a free apple juice out of it. Got some pot stickers. This will finish us out because I'm getting full.
Everybody get underwater! I want to see you
Nautilus.
We are now underway. Proceeding on course for the Orange Blue River Trail.
Keep us in space!
I know. That's
We are officially back from Trader Sam's, which was lots of fun. It is pouring. It has been pouring all day. I feel so sorry for the people at the Christmas party tonight. That's got to be miserable. I can like barely even see Space Mountain from here because of the rain so hard. Oh, so sad. We just spent the all day basically in our resort room. We got food to go from Captain Cook's and Kona Cafe for lunch, which was great. And then we went to Trader Sam's for dinner, and we were able to request Murph, our favorite bartender from the pool bar. And so we got to see at the bar stop, and that was the first time for us, and it was fantastic. Point tip, be nice to the cast members. Be nice to the bartenders. You might get a black pearl. I'm just saying. So we got one white pearl and one black pearl, and it was fantastic. So yeah, it was a great dinner. Boy, that sky. Ooh, that's orange. That's weird. Yeah, weather is supposed to clear out tomorrow, hopefully. So, Ohana tomorrow and the Christmas party. And also seeing our good friends, Beth and Phil. Very excited. I'm actually going to do some photos for Beth and Phil tomorrow morning around the resort. So, yeah. I guess I'll probably sign off here. Not much else going to happen tonight. So, I will see everyone tomorrow. Good night.